Do it again. You don't want to do it again?
No.
Put some on her head?
No.
Okay. Hi, Betsy May. Is it your first time playing in the snow? Yeah? You can't really move. Stinks. You can watch the kids. What are you doing, Lee? Oh. What is that? Can you show me? Oh. What are the kids doing over there? Oop, Betsy's moving. Betsy's moving. Where you going?
Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me.
Okay, ready? Smile.
Please. Let me see. Let me see.
Uh-oh. Let's watch Betsy while she crawls. I hope she doesn't face plant, don't you? Hey, Bets. Hi, Betsy's.
Can you see me too? On my head?
Yeah, but let's watch Betsy first.
Can I sit down?
Wait, let's watch Betsy. Her sleeve is on. Are you stuck? Uh-oh, what are those kids doing over there? Oh, man. You don't have any thumbs. Hi, Betsy. Hey, watch out for the baby. So go the other direction. Go the other direction, guys.
I know, one second. I'm going to do something. I'm not going to do something.
Thank you.
Look at, put the picture of just falling snow in it. Not me.
Oh. Make it look like it's snowing on her?
I need more. Mommy.
Yeah.
Wait, gosh, that was... Okay, Mom.
Yeah. Oh, don't get on her face.
Come on. Oh, is that cold?
Uh-oh, you got snow in your hat. Yeah. Uh-oh, I better turn this off. Rosalie likes watching them.
What?
Susie, can you come pick her up for a second? Oh! Oh! Can you pick Betsy up, please? Rosalie, what happened? Should I take a picture of it? Let's see.
Cheese!
Oh, who threw it at you?
I did.
Why? Why did he do it? Did you want him to?
Yeah.
Oh. Say, whoa, it got me.
Got me.
You want more? Eli, you can't put snowballs inside.
Yes, right there.
Just hold it for a second. No, don't throw snowball inside, Isaac. What in the world? This is illegal.
Okay. Oh, thanks. No smelling snowball.
Don't throw them over here, Isaac.
Oh yeah, 2 snowballs from Eli.
Nice.